In this video, I'll guide you through how to close a Google Cloud billing account. If you're managing a project on Google Cloud and no longer need to keep the billing active, closing your billing account is a straightforward process. We'll walk through each step to ensure you can do this efficiently and without hassle. To get started, you'll first need to open the Google Cloud console. This is your main hub for managing all your Google Cloud services. If you're not already familiar, the Google Cloud Console is where you can access everything from virtual machines to storage and account, and of course, your billing information. Simply head to the Google Cloud website and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to the billing section. You can find this by looking at the navigation menu on the left side of the console. Clicking on billing will take you to the area where all your billing accounts are listed and managed. It's important to note that this is where you can not only view your current charges but also manage how and when you're billed. Now that you're in the billing section, you need to select the specific billing account you wish to close. This is especially crucial if you have multiple billing accounts, as you want to ensure you're closing the correct one. Double check the account details to confirm it's the right one that you intend to close. It's always a good idea to review recent transactions and ensure there are no outstanding charges or tasks related to this billing account. With the correct billing account selected, look for the option that says Close Billing Account. This option is typically found towards the top of the screen or in the account settings. Clicking this will initiate the process of closing the account. Google Cloud will prompt you with a confirmation message. This step is in place to prevent accidental closures, so make sure you're absolutely certain before proceeding. The final step is to confirm that you want to close the billing account. Read through any messages or prompts carefully, as this action is often irreversible. Closing a billing account will stop all billing related activities, and you won't be able to use any of the services tied to this billing account unless you re-enable billing. Once you're ready and sure, click Confirm to close the account officially, and that's it. You've successfully closed your Google Cloud billing account. Remember, after closing, you won't be able to access the services linked to that billing account unless it's reopened or a new billing account is set up. It's always wise to ensure that you have a backup of any important data or configurations before proceeding with closing an account. I hope this tutorial was helpful and that you were able to close your billing account without any issues. If you have any questions or encounter any problems, Google Cloud support resources are a great place to find additional help. Thank you for watching and see you in the next guide.